we are going to discuss question number 6.14, and in this question it is given a molecule in a gas container hits a horizontal wall with a speed 200 meter per second and with making an angle 30 degree with normal. Clear? So I can say, let's suppose I am taking here, this is a vertical wall. Let's suppose I am taking this is a vertical wall. Clear? And I am assuming this is a wall, this is a very heavy wall. Clear? And whenever we have heavy wall, let's suppose I am assuming the mass of this wall is capital M and velocity v2, let's suppose this is 0. Clear? Now in this question it is given a molecule of a gas hits a container. This is given container, we are assuming this is a wall of a container. Clear? Hits a horizontal wall hits a horizontal wall with a speed, horizontal wall is given to you. Clear? So there is no problem, we can draw diagram like this. Clear? Let's suppose this is a wall of a container. Clear? This is a horizontal wall. Clear? A molecule in a gas. So let's suppose we can say here we have a molecule. This molecule is moving in this direction with a certain certain speed. This is given 200 meter per second. It is making an angle 30 degree with normal. So I can say when this strike to this point, this is making an angle 30 degree. Clear? And rebound with same speed. So we can see this is again rebounding in this direction with same speed. Clear? So I can say here this is again having speed 200 meter per second. Now we have to find, is momentum is conserved in this collision? So my dear student, always keep in mind, either we are talking about elastic collision or we are talking about inelastic collision. Either we are talking about elastic collision or inelastic collision. We can say linear momentum always conserved. Linear momentum always conserved. Always conserved. Now we can say actually there is no external force is acting if I consider this molecule and this container wall as a system. Clear? So I can say that if we are talking about elastic or inelastic collision, linear momentum is always conserved. Clear? Now we have to calculate here that this collision is elastic or inelastic. Clear? So first we can find here initial kinetic energy. So initial kinetic energy, this is given by half of mv initial whole square. Clear? So I can say half m. So let's suppose if nothing is given, I am assuming mass of a molecule is small m. Clear? And it is moving with 200 meter per second. So this is initial kinetic energy. Clear? We can also find here final kinetic energy. This is given by half m and we can say this is 200 square. Clear? Now you can see initial kinetic energy and final kinetic energy is same. Clear? It means we can say this is a part of elastic collision. Clear? So we can say this one is elastic collision. Clear to everyone? So this is all about this question.